Okay, so draw 5.
No one's buying you 2 packs for a card. We will end up getting the card itself.
No, you won't.
2 back.
We pulled all of the hollows out that were in that box. And there's those packs there for Vanguard. Because those 4 boxes were bought and then the other one was used for the tournament.
Because we bought the upper box.
Yeah.
And then a pack war.
What did you pull?
Quite a lot of stuff actually.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna buy 3, but...
Okey-dokey. So here we go, it's Aaron from Team Cyclonia again. Sorry for the long time in uploads. Facing my good friend EJ. So it's Oracle Think Tank versus Bermuda Triangle. So let's decide who goes first. EJ gets to go first.
I know, you could just like, there's like 3 pages where I got my 4 points.
Draw 2. Right, so you're a hero. Cool, Gemini. Gemini goes in for 8.
5 to Vanguard.
7.
No pass.
Doesn't look like the face of mercy to you.
Right, the beauty, call the SP, call the non-SP, and then 10 to Vanguard.
No go.
10 to Vanguard.
No go.
13 to Vanguard.
No go.
Then your turn.
Draw for 10. Red main
What?
Libra.
20 quid? What? For
Gemini
what?
moves back.
Yeah, same goes
Libra?
actually, yeah, same goes at 15. Yeah,
What you can't see at the moment is EJ dancing.
That is in that,
Not
yeah, I have it.
9 to Vanguard.
You know, like,
Love,
I probably have
No
it.
go. Draw trigger.
Because I'm like,
That's 5.
spend too
Draw
much
card.
money on cards. I
22 double crit.
Two
Sorry,
today,
22. Yeah,
Did you
22.
see that cheating he was
My
going
bad.
to draw trigger?
What,
The
a
fun
state mode?
times begin.
I have
Libra skill.
What, state mode? I have his. I got his on
Your turn.
I'm just trying to look for a decent card that everyone needs.
Now it's time.
Sorry, guys.
Right. The trolls. Trolls ability.
So I had a grade 3 turn.
Yeah, I have the top idol to add a booyah.
Yes, that is amazing. That was like the best shot, the best
As long as he came
We've actually been
in,
stashing
I would
any
have
deck.
been so very
Like the only thing, I don't run it because I don't have space. I play 4 kid in a 4. No one
10
wants
to
you.
Vanguard.
I really
God.
15.
don't hold for your mouth. Oh baby, a triple.
Oh, damn.
Spawn one. Spawn one.
22
Spawn
and 2.
Yeah, look. Spawn one.
How much
Yeah, spawn one.
2, 2, and 2.
Oh, I got a signed Chrono Jet as well. I just
Then your turn.
Exactly.
Right, Ohirume Legion.
So you a legion.
Send back Dream Eater, Tetramagus, Susanoo, and Misplays.
Why does no one here have the SP?
And then Legion with Chibi CEO Amaterasu. CEO Amaterasu skill.
No, but at the beginning of the main page it happens.
It's mine.
It's your one, yeah?
I forgot Lulu. Keep forgetting.
Did you still want to buy those?
21 Tango.
Yeah. I don't mind.
No brother.
Well, you're selling the booster packs.
Crit.
Leave him go.
Power.
Come on, Michael.
Oh, they're selling the booster packs now.
I heard they were selling more booster packs.
17 to this aqua.
Fiend.
And now it's your turn. Sorry guys, I forgot to Lulu again.
Now want that kind of stride in this battle. Doing everything on.
One need speaker.
10 to rare. 15 Vanguard.
No, no.
4 then 22 Vanguard. And your
CEO skill. Keep that down. Ohirume skill. +1. I call Silent Tom. Skill activate. And flip 2. And draw 2.
you add him to your hand then draw 2, or is it just reveal?
No, damage zone, turn the face up, then if it's the same name, same name as you, ignore me, just unflip 2. Misplays for days. 21.
Power of Love protects me.
So that's
No pass-through.
Sun Tom, like that. And Sister. Yours?
Now it's time to rev it up. Man. Lead my NATO.
I don't know what people want.
People want
Gambling. So just give them an IOU and then they can sell it back to you.
26 at Vanguard.
No god.
I thought you needed Saint Blow. Daniel. Oh, you needed Saint Blow.
Legion skill, counterblast in 3.
Yeah, but that's like, probably got like 6 and Saint Blow's like 20.
So you get rid of that for one, because you can't count blast for persona.
And then 22 at Vanguard. So 1 to pass through of love and justice.
Failed.
So I can tell you now that
17
everything
at
of value has been
Vanguard.
pulled out of them. Because I pulled a Ragnarok.
You win.
I need £2.
Armenia's mom.
EJ wins game 1.